Hey, fat Cartman! Oh man, you know what? We're just gonna get what's your name? George? Alright, well. Cannibal! Yeah, it is apparently. There you go. Take this. Take this. Take it. Fight. You know what? It's just trumpet. I used to play the trumpet like you. So I took till a brass hole hit me. Oh wait, you were a woman. Give me steal. Bye, buddy. If only someone had a mop. Only you had a mop. You lazy. We're gonna get you a hoverboard.
That's probably the best part in this whole game.
My God, I get it. You want a wheelchair? There you go, Grandma.
Damn it.
Anthony, I like how you're just cursing every other second.
I see the processing core. Let's screw it up and get out of here.
No!
Maybe even more than we realize. What about Sam? What about me? Where's my queen? All I got.
Kill me.
Not you. That kid. Ah!
Thank you. And that shit. I'm gonna buy Doom 2.
Now to end the episode, because I did every
Final
story.
Doom or Doom 2? Doom 2.
Well, I guess we'll go check on the sister. And then we'll be
Yep,
done with
I'm
the
gonna
episode.
buy Doom 2.
Okay, Anthony, good for you. I don't care. I got the achievement. Magical get foreign.
What is final? Story too low.
Yeah, we got her globe. We stole her globe.